Hi everyone, I'm Arthur from Young Guns Motorcycles. Today we're showcasing this beautiful Suzuki B100 P Magnum. Cue cards. It's had about 1,200 miles from brand new, which is really not very much considering the bike is 41 years old. No, 51. Actually 51 years old. It's got a full wiring harness, but the lighting coil doesn't work. It's got a full road compliance. This here has the ultra rare 4-speed reverse gearbox. It's quite an unusual thing. It's got its original workshop manual. It comes with its copy of its sales brochure from new, and a poster from Life magazine from 1967.
Wow.
That comes with the deal, I know. Lawrence, come over here and show these guys the original foot brake rubber, which normally one of the first things to come off when these bikes get sold from new. That doesn't last long, but that's still there from new. Now what I'll do is I'll start it up, I'll give it some laps so I can see how it goes. Fuel tap on, ignition on, choke. We've had it going this morning. It's reasonably warm, this header pipe over here. But hope you guys enjoy this. This is a really nice little pocket rocket. Okay, so we'll give it some laps so you can see how it goes, but really it's yeah, it's a pocket rocket. Really cute. Alright, let's go. That is unbelievable fun, really, it's so good.
Looks it.
Okay, we'll turn it off. So you can see here, it's got about 4 miles on the clock. This is a new odometer though, it's in miles per hour, 1967. Comes with a bunch of spares, and yeah, let me show you this over here. You'll see here the full road compliance. It's a B100 P Suzuki. That's the engine and chassis number here. It's 118cc capacity, weight 86 kilograms, which is basically like my weight. Now don't forget, Young Guns Motorcycles is a hobby-based workshop that we make zero profit from his restoration jobs. This basically, you know, is a labour of love with his bikes for me and the team. We just enjoy doing it.
Sure.
So until next time, thanks for watching another video from Young Guns Motorcycles. Take care.